Okay, we're going to do our getting along together lesson. Let me share my screen here. All right, so this is Unit 2, Lesson 4. Friendship is not always so easy. Spotlight on feeling jealous of a friend. Most of the time, being with friends is happy, easy, and fun. But every now and then, there can be a problem. One such problem is feeling jealous of a friend. Imagine that my really good friend who teaches at another school is chosen to be our district's teacher of the year. And she gets to go to a fancy award ceremony and stay in a big hotel for free. And she even gets a trophy from the governor. What are some feelings words to describe how I might feel, especially if I think I've worked just as hard as my friend? And here's a hint, I probably have a few different feelings at the same time. I can feel happy for her and proud of her, but also jealous of her and mad that I was not picked. Being jealous of a friend can feel confusing because it's a negative, unhappy feeling about someone we really like. We might feel both happy and jealous at the same time, which can really be confusing. So our big question is, imagine that your good friend gets to do something very special that you want to do but can't. What are two strategies that you could use to handle the feelings of being jealous of that friend? Okay, so first think about trying to define the word jealousy. Think about when one friend might feel jealous of another. Why might someone be jealous of a friend? In the case of my friend winning teacher of the year instead of me, what would, and that's supposed to be my iMessage be? I feel jealous because my friend won teacher of the year and I did not. Can I blame a friend for being jealous? Not really, because remember, an iMessage is how I feel and it's my problem. So feeling jealous is different from feeling mad at a friend or hurt by a friend because the other person is not part of the problem. To make the feeling go away, we have to help ourselves. Okay, so this is just a little thing about managing jealousy. It says Javon's good friend Dario wins the art show. His painting will be in the big show in the city. Dario will also get an award from the mayor, plus he will miss a day of school. Javon feels jealous of Dario. So if Javon does not stop and think and lets his feelings tell him how to act, what might he say or do to his friend? Can you understand how he feels? A big problem with jealousy is that it can lead us to do or say something that we regret. Jealousy is very good at bringing out our worst selves. If I let jealousy be the boss of me when I'm with my friend who won the teacher of the year, how might I act? Maybe I wouldn't be quite as nice, right? So what could Javon say or do if he does not keep his jealous feelings from guiding his actions? He could just not congratulate his friend. He could say something mean about the painting that won, and he might avoid Dario altogether. Feeling jealous is normal and it happens to almost everyone. It is how we handle our jealous feelings that can make the situations better or worse. When you recognize that you feel jealous of a friend, that is a big clue that you need to practice your stop and think skills so that you do not treat your friend in a way that makes you disappointed in yourself. So think about this. What could you do to try to keep jealous feelings from taking over? You could use self-talk to remind yourself about all the things that you're good at or you've been successful at. You could remind yourself that the feeling will go away soon. You can use some self-talk to plan for your future. Or you could tell someone how you feel. Sometimes just saying how we feel helps us move on from the feeling. You can practice breathing and buttoning your lips so you do not say something you regret. You can try thinking about something else, like listening to music or playing games. You could try to think about the other person's feelings. You do not want your jealousy to ruin your friend's happy moment. Jealousy is so complicated, and any complicated feeling is definitely a clue that we need to stop and think before we act. So today I want you to watch a book video called Best Friends by Stephen Kellogg. And then for your assignment, it says the term that people often use for jealousy is the green monster, which comes from a Shakespeare play. For your assignment, I want you to draw a picture of jealousy. What would it look like? Would it be a monster? What color would it be? And then you're going to upload a photo of this picture by taking a photo with your iPad and submitting it to Canvas. All right, that's our getting along together lesson for the day.